Hello guys, how are you? Today I've checked my tomatoes and some of them are ready. So yeah, I'm gonna harvest some tomatoes today. Some red ones and green ones because I love eating them while they're green, and these are my other ones. They're still young. And then that's my chili. Yes. And this one is plant of our neighbor here, our tenants. Parang ano siya guys, parang kalabasa, pero hindi siya kalabasa eh. And then I've got my lettuce there. You see my lettuce? Lettuce, yes. Yeah. That's it. And then there's a broccoli there. Broccoli. It's not really healthy though, but then they're still surviving. That's baby tomatoes. Yeah. That's from our neighbor, but I think she planted it too late. Yeah. And then I'm gonna show you the other one, my other plants, veggie. Right guys, these are my other plants here that are still surviving. Yeah, this is the runner beans, and the other one is called the French beans, which is like a Baguio beans in the Philippines. Yeah, but I mean the other one is a bell peppers, I guess. I'm not sure really guys, because my boss from my part-time job, she gave it to me, but then I'm not sure what are they. So I've already picked a couple of the runner beans earlier, so that's them. Yeah, I don't know kung anong tawag dyan sa Pinas, but that's the runner beans. Yes. So my husband said you just have to peel it off the skin, and then you get the the beans, the seeds inside, and then you boil it and then you eat it. Yeah, but the Baguio beans or the French beans, I've already harvested them last time. So Baguio beans yun sa Pilipinas guys. Yeah, so that's it for now. Thank you.